It's generally known that women prefer men who are smart, funny, assertive, and confident. But is that all there is to being a man women find attractive? In today's modern society, women like men who make them feel good about themselves while also showing strength and dominance. There are times when women want to feel like they are with a strong and masculine man, and times when they want to feel like they are with a caring, romantic man. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 7 masculine traits that drive women crazy for you. Leadership. To most women, there is nothing more attractive than a man who can lead them. A strong sense of purpose requires maturity, stability, and self-awareness. If you are still figuring things out on your own, not as many women want to get involved with you, unless they are looking for a challenge. Additionally, as you grow and gain experience, you will undoubtedly become more confident. This could be the reason why younger women find older men more attractive, since they have their things figured out and they are driven. Women simply find a man who knows what he wants and can lead them so attractive, since it makes them feel like they are dealing with a man, not with a little kid. Protection. Women want a man by their side who will be there for them no matter what happens. Now, don't get me wrong here. This doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be the strongest or the most fearless person in order to make a woman feel like she's with the right guy. But if you show her that you would do anything to save her from danger, she will feel like she's with a person who makes her feel safe in every situation. She doesn't expect you to hurt yourself or do anything crazy for her, but there are other ways to showcase this trait without even breaking a sweat. This can be as simple as hugging her when it's cold, or holding her hand strongly while you cross the street. A man who is good at protecting others has something that women simply find irresistible: consideration. Here's the thing. You don't have to be a nice guy who does everything she says and gives her constant attention in order to prove your love for her. Being considerate and thoughtful simply means doing something nice for her with no strings attached. For example, if she gets promoted at work, invite her for dinner or cook something for her, and she will appreciate this a lot. She will value it more than any fancy gift you could get her, and that will make her feel special and loved by you. Women love men with qualities that show that they care and understand them on a deeper level than just their looks or what they have to say. Humor. Well, this is a no-brainer. You may win a woman's heart in many different ways, but making her laugh is one of the most effective things you can ever do. If you can make her laugh effortlessly, you are already on the right path. A man with a sense of humor automatically becomes at least 5 times more desirable. If you're trying to be funny, make sure your jokes aren't offensive or mean. Keeping it light and casual always works, rather than trying too hard. You don't have to be a stand-up comic, but you definitely need to know how to be smart about your jokes, and timing is also crucial. Remember, the best jokes aren't the ones you read in a joke book. It's rather thoughts and comments about something in a certain situation. A funny and witty reaction or a smart or self-deprecating comment might make a woman feel more connected to you almost instantly. Authenticity. When it comes to dating and dealing with women, the best thing you can do is just to be yourself and let your true personality shine through. While there are many different things you can do to be more attractive to women, the most important thing is just to simply be yourself. Women are attracted to men who are comfortable in their own skin and confident with who they are without faking or pretending that they are someone else. There are some guys who try to show how cool they are by exaggerating or even lying, which usually backfires, and they end up losing the interest of the girl for good. So do yourself a favor and don't be that guy. Trying to be someone you're not will not only make you feel uncomfortable but also unhappy, and your true personality will come out sooner or later. On top of that, you might end up not attracting the right kind of women. This is why it's so important to stay authentic. Women are not stupid. If you are faking it, they will sense it right away or eventually. Uniqueness. If there's one thing that attracts women more than anything, it's a man who stands out from the crowd. Don't get me wrong, this doesn't mean you have to be famous or wealthy, but being unique is one of those manly qualities that will make all the difference. A woman wants to see the real you shining through, not some fake character or persona that's trying too hard. When she first meets a confident man, she can feel his charisma from across the room. To stand out from the crowd, first you should put your focus on being comfortable with yourself. A great way to achieve uniqueness is through your style. So if you manage to dress well while also standing out from the rest, you will have a good chance of driving women crazy around you. Intelligence. An intelligent man is recognized by everyone around him and is capable of engaging in an exciting discussion on almost any subject. This type of man never runs out of things to say because he is constantly reading, learning new information, listening to podcasts in order to expand his knowledge base. This has some huge benefits, including being able to hold conversations with other people while adding value to the conversation instead of staying in silence or pretending that they are aware of a certain topic. Nowadays, women are looking for men they can feel comfortable talking to about a variety of topics, because that's a crucial part of any relationship, especially if you are dealing with an intellectual lady yourself. The capacity to have an interesting discussion with someone is incredibly underrated. Women, just like men, can find intelligence incredibly attractive. They can notice it right away and will drive them crazy about you. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button and consider subscribing.